All right, back in the kitchen today, guys. And we're doing kind of a little different mix up here. Little veggie medley, potatoes, carrots, big onions, pepper, some cayenne, olive oil, and of course you got the steak down there. And then we're gonna wrap this up and actually barbecue it, kind of like a steam bag, and cook for probably about 30 minutes or 40 minutes. And yeah, kind of like, just like a dry stew type thing. I don't know. And we just kind of came up with it and just figured we'd try it. So let's get this out to the grill. We're doing some corn also. That'll go in a separate one. Let's bag it up. All right, we got everything. I'm putting it off more to this side of the barbecue. We want to use it more of kind of like an oven. We're not going to actually cook right over. Dogs are saying hello next door. So we've got everything. We've got our corn in here bundled up. We're going to cover this up, let it smoke, and we want it sitting right around 400, 450 degrees, and we'll just keep playing with it. So yeah, all these they're just wrapped in tin foil and they sit in there like a bag. All right, we opened it up. Check it out. Corn, nice and roasted, perfect. Yep, steam coming off here is good. Cheers, guys.